Hi guys, Leanne here from Avoiding Broke. I hope you're well. Now in this video, we're going to cover 3 things that you can be doing right now when you're at the very beginning of your property investment journey. So if you've decided that property investment is for you and you're looking for where to start, then try these 3 things. I really think they will set you up for a fantastic future as a property investor. Right guys, so number 1 in my top 3 things that you should be doing is to actually think about why you want to invest in property. You may have decided that you want to do it and that's great, but really you need to understand why. What is it that you are looking to get out of your property investment journey? Now you may think it's obvious, I want a monthly income, I want an investment that's going to pay me money, but really there are many different strategies that you could have and many different reasons for getting into property investing. And so I would say you need to work out exactly why you're getting into property investing. So it could be that you want a monthly income, you want to supplement or completely replace your current earnings, and for that you have a particular strategy. But you may also then think, no, do you know, this is long term for me, this is for my pension, and there you may be looking at a different strategy, and that would be you'd be looking at something that was maybe going to give you capital growth over a number of years in the properties that you invest in. So really you really need to drill down and really understand why you're doing this, because it will determine exactly what you buy, where you buy, the type of tenants that you're looking for. It is crucial to do this from the beginning. That's not to say that you can't change your mind or you can't have a mix of strategies, but really you need to put this groundwork in right at the beginning. Number 2 is to learn and learn some more. You really, especially if you're at the beginning of your property journey here, you really need to familiarise yourself with what it means to be a landlord, what it means to invest in property, how you go about investing in property. There's a wealth of information out there, and I would say concentrate on learning all there is to learn. It'd really help you set yourself up to be successful. Now I would recommend watching YouTube videos, so I'm pleased you're watching this video, but there's going to be lots more out there, so watch widely is what I would say. Secondly, read books. There are so many great books out there on property investing that can really help you. Also, there are podcasts, great podcasts on property investing and types of strategies that you can use, different types of property investing, all of those things. So I would say make sure you check out those podcasts as well. The other great way to learn is to speak to people who are already doing it. You can learn from their mistakes and fast track your learning, plus also learn from what went well for them. So you can do this by going to property meetups. There are forums out there, so you can speak to other people. You may also know some people who are investing in property, and I'm sure they would be more than willing to have a chat to you about what they do, how they do it, why they do it. It's a great way to learn by speaking to other people. When you're investing in property, knowledge is key. As a landlord, you have so many responsibilities. You really need to know what it means to be a landlord, what you're responsible for, what your responsibilities are, and make sure that you're doing everything that you need to do. The third thing that I would say is to actually just get out there and start looking. And I'm not saying this to start looking for a particular property that you want to purchase for your investment, but actually just to get yourself in the ecosystem. Get yourself out there looking at properties, know what information is given on things like Rightmove and Zoopla. Start seeing what properties are coming onto the market, what properties are being sold, the prices. You can also have a look at not only properties that are for sale, but have a look and see what's renting. You can compare different areas that you're looking at in terms of sold prices and rental prices for different properties. And like I said, just have a look and see what's happening. It really will help to just build your confidence, build your knowledge for actually getting out there and having a look. You really want to start immersing yourself in these ecosystems so you can actually get a good idea about what's happening, and also put the learning that you're doing. So number 2 in this list is learning. Put that learning that you're doing into practice when you're looking at the properties. You can be thinking to yourself, well, this property looks like it may make a good HMO, or this property would make a good family home because it's near a school or it's near some good amenities, those kind of things. You really just start immersing yourself in the ecosystem. So guys, that was number 3. Make sure you get out there in the ecosystem and start observing what's going on. So I really hope you found that useful. There were 3 quick things that you can be doing right now to start your property investing journey. And I wish you the best of luck on that journey. So if you enjoy our content, why not subscribe to our YouTube channel? You'll find more videos on there about not only property investing, but also other financial education, career advice, and also things to do with positive mindset. So if all of that appeals to you, then why not subscribe and hit the bell button so that you know when we make another video. Also, just want to thank you all for your continued support. You're supporting us, you're asking us great questions, and you're getting involved in the conversation. So we really appreciate it. And if you do have any other questions, then do just give us a shout. We'd love to hear from you. You can also connect with us across the different social medias. We are Avoiding Broke on everything: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. So come and connect with us. Okay, guys. And until the next video, you take care.